In this tutorial, I'll show you how snake word search puzzles work. This puzzle type uses a continuous path instead of straight lines, creating a different and more dynamic way to find words. In a snake word search, words do not appear in straight lines. Instead, each word follows a path that bends and turns through the grid. Each word is placed along a continuous path, like a snake moving through the grid. The path can change direction, but each letter connects to the next. Because the path changes direction, words are harder to spot at a glance. This makes the puzzle more challenging and encourages closer attention. You can adjust difficulty by changing the grid size or the number of words. More turns and longer paths increase the challenge. You can add words manually, upload a CSV file, or use prompt cards to generate a word list with AI. All words will be placed using the snake path style. You can choose how the word list is displayed. Use chips for a more visual boxed presentation. Use columns when you want a more traditional list that fits neatly in tighter layouts. Or you can ignore the standard word list and use a creative layout like a word cloud. This makes the puzzle more visual and engaging, turning the word list into part of the challenge itself.